Scandi style. How to make your home cozy for Christmas. Scandi style is all about clean lines, natural elements, and a focus on creating a warm and inviting environment with minimal fuss. Let's dive into some beautiful yet simple ways to make your home feel like a winter wonderland, Scandi style, where coziness reigns and every moment feels like a warm embrace. Stick to a neutral palette with pops of nature. A Scandinavian Christmas is all about neutral colors that mimic the snowy landscapes of the north. Whites, creams, grays, and soft browns make an ideal base. These tones create a serene, clean canvas that lets other seasonal elements, like greenery, pine cones, and wood accents, shine. Instead of overloading on color, add small hints of natural greenery. Think fresh pine garlands, eucalyptus wreaths, or small pine branches in clear vases. The beauty of Scandi style is that it effortlessly brings the outside in, making you feel connected to nature even during the chilly winter months. Prioritize soft textures and warm lighting. One of the hallmarks of Scandinavian decor is its use of texture to create warmth. During the holiday season, embrace layers of cozy throws, chunky knit blankets, and plush pillows in your living spaces. Faux fur rugs or sheepskins draped over chairs add a luxurious feel that's perfect for winter. Lighting also plays a huge role in creating a cozy atmosphere. Opt for soft, warm lights instead of harsh, bright bulbs. String lights or fairy lights placed in glass jars, across mantels, or wound around garlands instantly elevate the cozy factor without overwhelming the space. Use simple, elegant decor. When it comes to decorations, the key is to keep it simple yet elegant. Scandinavian Christmas decor often features minimalistic ornaments, usually in wood, glass, or neutral colors. Think handcrafted ornaments, ceramic or metal candle holders, and natural elements like dried orange slices or cinnamon sticks. A few well-chosen pieces can add just the right amount of festive cheer without feeling cluttered. Try creating a centerpiece with a few white pillar candles surrounded by small pine branches, or hang simple wooden stars in windows for a festive touch that's subtle and stylish. If you're loving these Scandi-inspired Christmas ideas so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We have plenty more tips to make your holidays extra special. And if you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below with your favorite Scandi decor ideas. Focus on creating hygge moments. Hygge is the Danish concept of coziness and contentment, and it's an essential part of a Scandinavian Christmas. Designate a corner in your home where you can create a reading nook or a small cozy area with pillows, blankets, and maybe a tray of hot cocoa or spiced tea. The idea is to have a special spot where you can unwind, enjoy the seasonal quiet, and feel at home. Light some candles to add a gentle glow and play soft, calming music in the background to complete the hygge experience. Bring in the fresh scent of winter. A cozy Scandi Christmas isn't complete without scents that make you feel like you're wandering through a winter forest. Natural candles with scents like pine, cedar, cinnamon, or vanilla are perfect for filling your home with warmth. Or try simmering a pot on the stove with water, orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and cloves for an inviting aroma that's both warm and festive. Aromas play a huge role in how cozy a space feels, and with the right scents, your home will exude that Nordic-inspired winter magic. As you transform your home into a cozy Scandi-style haven, remember that the essence of Scandinavian Christmas decor lies in simplicity, nature, and warmth. The beauty of this style is that it invites you to slow down, enjoy the small details, and savor every cozy moment. We hope these tips inspire you to create your own peaceful winter retreat this season. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more cozy home inspiration. Like if you enjoyed these ideas, and let us know in the comments how you're bringing Scandi style into your holiday decor.